Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're going to show you a simple trick to back up your Instagram messages, even though Instagram doesn't have a built-in feature for it yet. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram app. The first step is to open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you've opened the app, go ahead and log into your account. Step 2. Access your activity. Next, click on the hamburger menu icon at the top right corner of your profile screen. From there, select Activity. Step 3. Tap on Download your information. In the Activity section, scroll down and you'll find an option called Download your information. Tap on it to access the download settings. Step 4. Request download information. In the Download Your Information settings, Instagram will ask you to submit your email address to receive a copy of your data. Step 5. Wait for download link. Once you've submitted your email address, Instagram will prepare a download link and send it to your email. The process may take a few minutes or hours, so be patient. Step 6. Download your file. Once you receive the email, click on the download link to access your file. You can choose to download it directly to your mobile device or to your computer. Step 7. Open your message file. Finally, open your message file using a file manager or a text editor. You can easily view your Instagram messages and save them for backup. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can back up your Instagram messages using a simple trick in 2023. While Instagram may not have a built-in feature for it yet, this trick can help you keep your messages safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.